Our partnership began before we earned the trust of their business. My name is Ed Van Sicklen, and I'm Vice President of Business Development and Strategy at Veeva Systems.
My name is Breda Quinn. I'm the Global Transformation Quality Director here at Reckitt.
What we do is we help our customers in that last mile of delivering high quality, compliant, and safe products to the markets that we serve.
Technology has evolved and developed so much in the last 18 to 24 months. That ability to connect systems together, your product lifecycle system, your lab information system, your quality management system, that's what I need and that's what I want.
A company like Reckitt has factories throughout the world. They serve hundreds of markets.
How Veeva are helping us is that we now are taking the opportunity to unify our quality processes within that single system. Why did we choose Veeva? I would describe Veeva as an excellent partner for us. When you think about challenge and toughness and fairness, I think we come together quite well as a good partnership in that area. We're tough, but we're fair. And I think that Veeva are very similar. They really focus on the right things and they empower us and help us to focus on the right things during this project.
At the front end of our engagement, it was interesting to me to see how many features that were beginning to appear on a roadmap were directly driven from a pre-sales engagement from Reckitt. And now we're pulling that same sort of energy and partnership moving forward. We have this term called running to complexity, and that's our mindset. So we sit in industries building fit-for-purpose applications for those industries, run to complexity to address that complexity.
How I would sum up the partnership is around 3 words: agility, empowerment, and being strategic.
Which really I think sets us apart is we want to shift from being a technology vendor to being an appreciated partner. It's relationships like the ones we have with Reckitt that give us confidence that we can do that.